Welcome to Power BI Masterclass. We are a community of authors sharing Power BI tutorials, tips and tricks and other free content. Today we will review Power BI dashboard published by Nicholas Leah Trengrouse on LinkedIn. This dashboard is a great example of how Power BI can transform raw business data into clear, actionable insights. Designed for quick decision-making, it provides a comprehensive overview of sales performance, costs and operational trends in one interactive view. KPIs are supported by visual breakdowns. A donut chart displays the distribution of orders across different stores, helping identify top-performing locations. A bar chart compares sales versus cost of goods monthly, highlighting profitability trends throughout the year. A line chart tracks orders versus customers over 6 months, showing customer engagement and purchase behavior. A sales by store type chart emphasizes how different business models, outlet, network, franchise, contribute to total revenue, with franchises leading at $17.2 million. One of the dashboard's strengths is its clean, minimal design. The consistent use of white space, aligned grid layout and clear labeling make the information easy to digest at a glance. By keeping the color palette subtle, using shades of green and blue, the dashboard avoids visual clutter and directs attention to important metrics. The hierarchical structure is well thought out. KPIs at the top provide instant context. Supporting visuals in the middle explain performance drivers. Comparative charts at the bottom highlight deeper insights. Interactive elements such as time period filters and store location selectors allow users to personalize their view without overwhelming them with too many options. This balance of simplicity and flexibility ensures that the dashboard serves both executives who need a quick snapshot and analysts who want to dig deeper. In summary, this Power BI dashboard excels not only in data storytelling but also in user experience, making it a powerful tool for driving informed business decisions. Link to the dashboard is in the video description. You're welcome to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, may the Power BI be with you.